So hey, welcome back guys. Today I am back with a new video on Minecraft. In the last video I played Henry Stickmin and today I am going to play Minecraft. So let's get started. Oh, look at where we just spawned in. Oh, hello sheep, hello.
Nope.
Let's do a typical Minecraft things, chop down the wood. And by the way, here's a beehive. Let's make a crafting table. Let's craft ourselves a pickaxe and a normal axe. You know what? Let's roam around for a while and just find a village. But that was a dumb thing to do. Let's kill the sheep so that we could make a bed. Yeah, I found some white sheep. Yeah, just 2 wolves. Yeah. Got some food, wool, wood. Let's go find a village. Oh, we found a desert biome too. Oh, am I so lucky to spawn in front of a village? Let's take this hay bale. This is a savanna village. This village is not too interesting. It has only a single house. Let's see what we have in the chest. Oh, some food. I guess I'll take it. And coal too. This whole village has one single house which has literally nothing in it. Let's chop down some wood. You know what? Let's make some bread with this wheat. 36 bread.
Not bad.
Let's go chop down some iron so that we could make iron pick. Let's go to the desert biome and let's hope for a village or a temple. That would be pretty dope. It's getting night time. I think I'll sleep here. Let's craft ourselves a bed. Okay, we are ready. Let's continue our adventure. Let's try to find a desert temple. It would have a good loot in it. Look, another cave. Oh, we found iron. You want some?
If you want some, I'll give it you.
Oh, we killed him. Let's go and chop down this iron. Let's smelt that iron right over here, because it will be a good place. Let's place down the furnace, waiting for the iron to smelt. Let's make ourselves our first iron pickaxe. We have our iron pickaxe. I'll be using the stone pickaxe until I get some iron. Let's go for our search for a desert temple. Oh, we just found a ravine. I see a lot of iron down there, so let's go. Let's chop down the 6 pieces of iron. No, we have more. I think we have 8 in total. Let's get this coal first. Look at how much iron we just found. We found 18 pieces of iron. Let's smell this right up here. Let's try to find some wood.
Oh, hello there!
Oh, you look, there's a skeleton. I think there may be a lot of mobs here. Let's build to the other side and get ourselves some iron. Look at how much pieces of iron we found. We just found 25 pieces of iron. Let's make ourselves an iron sword. Oh, I don't have oak planks. But I do have these planks, so let's make it. Let's make ourselves our first ever iron sword. Let's make iron pickaxe. Let's go back to our adventure and find a village. Oh, my furnace fell down. Now I have to figure out how would I climb up. We came out of that ravine. Let's go on our adventure to find a village. But before that, let's try to kill some rabbits. What did I get from it? A rabbit hide. I don't know what it's used for. Oh, we found some chickens. Let's kill them. Let's chop this tree down. And it's getting night time. It's time to sleep. So let's have a look at our achievements. Now here's the achievement. Like we have to defend ourselves from those skeletons. So I've got an iron pickaxe. Now it's time for a suit up. Let's make ourselves an iron helmet. Can we make iron armor? Iron chest plate. Yeah, we can. Let's make ourselves this too, and not last but not least, iron boot. And we are left with a single piece of iron. Guess I'll make a shovel with that. And we still have 6 pieces of iron ore. Let's wear this. Ooh boy, we are shining with those iron tools. Oh, is that what I think it is? Yes, it's lava. Now I can use it to complete our achievement. Hot stuff. Let's fill this. Yes. So we have completed 8 achievements till now. And let's continue back to find a village. Oh, here's a good ravine. Oh, I was just about to fall down. Let's continue our hunt for the village. Oh, I see a tower there. I think that's a village. Oh, look at what we just found. We found a village. I think I'll make my house nearby the village. And this village has some food for us. Let's see what raid he has got. I don't have any of this. This is a pretty big village. Oh, look at this baby villager. These babies are too fast. Look at this big tower. Let's go up and see what we can see from there. This village is not too bad, but it's not that big of a deal. In future we could breed these villagers. I think I may live here and build my house right there in the grass. And behind we have mountains. This is our savanna biome, desert biome. Literally 3 biomes catch up in the same place. This would be a good thing. And if you don't know, savanna biomes are good for llamas, horses, and probably we have a desert. We could find a desert temple and do so many stuff. So to end this, I would like to say, if you all like that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. And if you loved this, let me know in the comment section below. And as that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.